Hey everybody, Susan Vincentz here, and in this video we're going to look at scanning a QR code from your Chromebook camera. So to find the camera on your Chromebook, you're going to go down to the bottom left-hand side, and you will see a little circle icon. So click on that circle icon, that's called your launcher. Click on the launcher, and then you're going to have a little arrow. Pop up that arrow and you're going to get the full Chromebook menu. And then click on the camera icon when you find it. So it'll open a camera, you'll look like you're taking a selfie. And then over on the side, you're going to want to make sure that QR code symbol is highlighted in blue. And then the QR code that you have, or that your students have, hold that up and it will scan it and it won't automatically take you there. You're going to click on the link. And at that point, it will take you to the link. Okay? So I'm just going to close that tab. So click on the launcher at the bottom to bring up the camera icon and then hold up your QR code to scan it. If this is something that you're going to use often, you might want to right click on that camera icon and pin it to the shelf. So if you have any other questions, do not hesitate to contact me and I will be happy to assist. Thank you. See you soon.